Hi, friends. So, today's topic is how to do X that drives Y. And we will play a game called the Invisible Wall game, which you can see in your screen. So, let us start. Do you know that mid career stagnation is rarely about lack of skill? It is about inner resistance, emotional wiring, inherited belief, systems, identity fatigue, and fear of change. Until these internal barriers shift, strategy doesn't land, opportunities feel unsafe, growth feels heavy instead of expansive. Freedom to grow without barriers comes when the inner operating system changes fast. That is what drives sustainable personal wealth, financial, emotional, and strategic. Now, let us play this game. To, 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 so now we'll be kind of playing so that you feel the block is not skill based but identity based without triggering defensiveness. You don't have to be defensive about you are not this, you are not that. So we will deal with safety plus curiosity. This is not a mindset exercise, by the way, and not a problem solving activity either. There is nothing to fix, nothing to change or improve. We are simply observing how the mind protects identity, even when growth is desired. How the mind protects identity even when growth is desired. If at any point you feel resistance, that is not failure, that is the data. Think of one goal you have been postponing, not your biggest dream, not your safest task, something meaningful but delayed. Don't analyze it, just hold it lightly. So, what is the key question? Now ask yourself silently, what if this become easy? Not possible, not successful, just easy. Now let us locate the wall. Before any thoughts come, notice your body. Guide gently. Tightness, heaviness, drop in energy, slight irritation, a no feeling. Name the sensation, not the story. Now, let a word arise for this reaction, not the polite one, the honest one. For example, fear, guilt, pressure, loyalty, unworthiness, responsibility. See, these reactions are not entirely personal. Sometimes it is for another person. Do you notice that? This reaction is not the enemy, it is a protector. Did you know that before? But now you have come to know that, right? Your mind is not blocking effort, it is protecting identity. Now, ease feels unsafe when the identity was built through struggle. Let that land. You don't need to break the wall, you only need to see it. So, awareness is already movement. That's all. You need to see yourself how the mind plays the game just to protect you, and how it is so simple to reframe it, to move your mind. It is very simple. Just try to see whatever is feeling uneasy, if you can reframe it. I'm Sangeeta. I'm a significance coach, and I do session on Sundays at 2:30 p.m. and I'll be happy to see you and discuss with you about all that we'll be learning in the session. In the session itself, we'll do a game which might heal you completely. So it will be very welcome if you can join my Sunday session, and before that, you can join my WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching. See you in the Sunday session. Thank you.